Deep tier plyo lunges. So what you're doing is essentially exploding out of your lunge, trying to jump as high as you can, and you want to use your arms. You can scoop them like I am, or just do whatever feels good. That's going to help you really get out of the lunge. We're going to stay on the same leg for however many reps I've prescribed, and then switch sides, of course. This is going to take some time, especially developing that height. Even I'm working on it. But the more that we do this, the more that we expose ourselves to plyos, the better you're going to get at it.